Clear touches the ball. Crosses up. Midfield. 2P on the attack. 1-2 pass on the inside. Goal! 2P United. (1-0). Haba pang time, haba pang time. Number 16. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay Jr. Inbound pass. Basketball. Okay, nakuha ang bola ng 2P number 12. Pass to number 2. Oh, incomplete pass. Bola ng 2P United sa right side of the field. Pass back. Cross. Oh, nice defense by Ramon Magsaysay. Nakuha na number 16 ang bola. Pagawas ang bola. Bola ng Ramon. Quick play on the side. Right. Okay, outside. Bola ng 2P United. Foul. Stricto naman ang referee. Nandita. Stricta.
Hindi sabi nilang.
Okay, pass. Uy, nagbangga-bangga. Nice attempt by Ramon. Sa gitna by 2P.
Ayaw sa
Bola
alpha.
number 2. Open si number 4 sa right. Pass to the number 4. Oh, outside. Goal kick. Laban clear. Patay padula sa Sabado sa Angels.
Patay.
Bola ng 2P. Right side of the field. Okay, nice. Skill. Cleared by number 10. Bola ng Ramon on the attack. Pass sa left side. Defended by 2P United. Cross. Defend by number 10. Cleared. Number 27 is running. Nakuha sa goalkeeper. And pass outside. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay Jr. Ramon Magsaysay Jr. Uy, foul na sad. Stricta. Okay. Nag-aagawan ng bola. Number 12, number 16. Gisipa kagawas. May na lang na itaas sa net. Pero one and number 4 on the left side. Cross. Deflected by number 7. Corner kick. Opportunity for 2P United. Short pass. Oh, nice save by Claire. Number 16. 2P on the attack. Defended by number 7. Number 11. Get the ball. Pasikte. Number 2. Bola ng 2P United. Touch by... Oh! Ay! Attempt on goal. Saved by Claire. Corner kick. Another opportunity for 2P United to capitalize their lead. Goal clearance. Outside. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay Jr. Ramon Magsaysay Jr. planning to the attack. Number 16, pass to number 2, Moreno. Try to, oh, it's up by referee. Attempt of clear touch the ball. Pass. Court sa right side. Number 11, get the ball. Cross. Okay lang ako. Attack na naman ng 2P on the left side. Nag-group hug silang duha. So, foul. Hugging foul. Ito yung tinatawag na hugging foul. Opportunity for 2P. Close lang ang bola sa goal. Attempt on goal. Oh! Outside the goal. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay deflected. Defended by 2P on the attack. 2P. Nice attempt. Corner. 1-0. Lamang ang 2P United 1-0. Minutes left in the game. Short pass by 2P. Play on. Sabi ng referee. Ramon Magsaysay on the attack. Left part of the field. Crosses it sa mid. Outside. Bola ng Ramon. Ang bola na sa air. Control. Walay control. Si palagay po sa taas. Gi. Untol sa ulo. Untol. Sige ka. Ang sige tuloy. Okay. 2P on the attack. Well defended by Ramon. Left. Number 16 clears it out. Nice pass to number 2. Number 2 dribbles the ball and slide away. Outside. Throw in by number 7. Pass to. Oops. Tackle from behind. Duhang iyang kaswalti. Apila yung kauban. Ball ng Ramon Magsaysay. Left side. Half court. Attempt on outside. Go kick. Okay, pass. 2P on the attack na pod. Kinsa na po nagtao sa bola? Kinsa yung pangalan na nga? ID, kuhay ka ID na be? Number 10. Pass to number 11 ball, number 7. Scramble. Okay. 2P pass to teammate. Number 11. 1-2 pass and cross sa mid. Oh, na-miss. Kagwapo. Number 16. Throw in. Number 11. RMC on the attack. Play on. Nice try, RMC. Okay, gipauntol na pa ng bola. Bawi tayo Ramon. Tupi United on the attack. Cross well defended by number 10. Good. Nice D.
Ay, nag-record lang.
Number 16. And number 12. Oops,
Patay!
nag-crumble. Dili mo tungtong sa lapok. Nakuha sa number 25. Gi-cross ang bola. Inside. Okay. Cleared by number 7. Siyempre, sabi nila pwede man daw mag-basketball style mag-comment. Okay. Tupi United. Well defended by number 16. Bola.
Luya sa Twitter sa naman siya.
Nag-attempt ang tupi, no? Nag-attempt?
Kaya kami ng skirt.
11. 18. Quality games ta dito. Pit.
Kalit-kalit. Moody kayo ba?
Uy.
Tapagan mo siya. Tapagan na
Pit.
siya.
Bola ng Ramon magsaysay. Paso, always passes to the midfield. Cleared by number 10. Okay.
Ulit ah! Oh, siya na na!
Number 3, pass to number 6. Dribbles the ball. Uy, wag yung pabalik mo siya. Passes to Tupi, number 16. Pass sa middle, number 11. Oh, number 7 na ang bola. Oh, play on. Play up. Play on. Outside, bola ng Ramon. Pass play, throw in. Kuha na number 11 sa mid. Nakuha ng Tupi United. Just clear it to the goalkeeper. Clear now na yung bola. Throws it to his teammate on the right. Nakuha na number 3. Header. Outside. Bola ng Ramon magsaysay. Number 11. His teammate number 3 and try to cross. Agaw ang bola. Throw in. Bola inside. Header. Number 16 clears the ball outside. Nice attempt, number 10, clear. Nice try. Kuha ng goalkeeper. Pasa sa yung Oban, number 2 on the right side of the field. Nakuha na number 16. Dribble na number 6. Oh! No. Nakuha, nice D, number 12. Very confident sa dribble na number 12. Nakuha na number 2. Throw in, nauna ang number 4. Oh, try to attempt. Cleared by number 10. Okay, 1-on-1. Cross. Bola sa kina. Goal. Nice try. Number 6.
Libre kayo ba? Kaya nga to.
Stop right ba no?
Pambihirang opportunity by Ramon.
Dili, si Coach Brian, posing pa siya. Basta bata mo.
Ah, char.
0 lamang ang tupi.
Tingnan na lang minutes. 3.
Number 11, try to... Oh, no. Wala na handle ang bola. Number 11, drag back, pass to... Na-intercept ang bola sa number 11 sa 2P United. Try to 1-2 pass at the middle. Intercepted by the 2P United. Okay, dribble! Okay, nice one, Claire. Disipa ang lang, nakapsing lang. Boxing lang, gamay. Okay, gikuha, ipasa sa Scorpion kick by 2P United. Okay, nakuha na po nilang bola. Ipasa sa right, wala na. Ipasa sa outside. Bola ng Ramon.
Uy.
Ramon running to attack to equalize the game. Pasa inside. Nakuha number 11 header. No good.
2 minutes na lang. Saya nga eh.
Number 7, well defended by Tupi United. Outside ang bola. Bola ng Tupi United. 1-0 pa rin, guys. Bumabawi ngayon ang Ramon. Try talaga nila na makabawi. Pero ang Tupi ayaw magpatalo. Pasa inside. Play. Pasa lapukan. Ihatag sa bola. Sa tunga ang bola. Nakuha na po. Oh, it's a handball. Okay, bye. May chance kayo ng Ramon magsaysay.
1 minute na lang. 1 minute.
Ipagawas na ninyo ang inyong 100%. Equalize the game. This is semifinals. Ang Madaog advance to championship. Okay, time. Nice game. Win. Tupi United. Next game, prepare. Turtle Grounds versus... Ay, wala pa. Mag-rest na. Nakadali siguro na. Warm up sa mo. Okay, naka-warm. So, ready na dahil naman magsaysay junior. Pwede na?